so much for keeping it clean, right? This is just the start of it, I'm sure. They're still saying 9 to 16 inches. So. Oh. It's like an icy base to it. Not nice powder. Hey. Oh, hey, that hurts.
This is perfect snow for snow.
It's heavy. That's here.
Let me just make a spot.
Okay. It's really wet snow. That's the problem. It's heavy and wet. They haven't been down the street at all. It's pretty across there. Interestingly, they said tomorrow in Virginia it's going to be 57. People wonder why you want to move. That's a pretty good reason. Miserable. Well, hey everybody, it's Paul. Welcome to the channel and welcome to snow. They're saying this is going to be the biggest snowstorm in a decade, so we shall see. I'm hoping not, but it's already coming down hard and heavy here in Michigan. So we will be bringing you live updates throughout the day, I'm sure, as we try to navigate this nasty storm. My daughter goes to work in a little while, so. This is my windshield cleaner of choice. Unless there's ice on there. This knocks off a lot in a hurry. I got scrapers too, if I need it, of course. This thing's so far up in the air, you need some with a decent handle to get to it. Unless you want to use a ladder. It's always interesting when it's snowing. It makes everything nice and quiet. I would say we got a couple inches on the ground so far. Here's old sumac. We can take the snow as long as we don't lose power. That's the big deal.